you come down? Can you hear me now? I need you more than I ever thought I could need someone. Yeah, I know.
Saudara Andi Setiawan bin Slamet Budiono, Anda saya nikahkan dengan Eka Pasarwati, putri dari Bapak Operasi yang sudah pasrah wangi-wangi kepada saya dengan mas kawin uang Rp672.200 dibayar tunai.
To ease my mind as my memories fade. Ooh, I need those moments to keep me sane. A flicker of light as I say your name. Can you come down, break through these clouds for a little while, remind me of how you sound. Yeah, I know it wouldn't be the same, but just keep me close if there's any way you can. I need those moments